What is up, guys? Brittech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install iOS 17.1.2. So let's get into it. Go to your settings, and as you can see, it says software update available. You can select that, but if you don't see it, scroll down to general and select that, then software update. And there you have it. So this update is approximately 309.7 megabytes, and it provides important security fixes and is recommended for all users. Now, if you want more information on the security content of this specific update, you just click that blue Apple support link right there. And all right, guys, so what you want to do is select update now, and it's going to have you enter your passcode. All right, so now you can see that the update has been requested. And what this is doing is it is actually downloading the update. Now, once it finished downloading the update, it will install it. And so once it installs it, that is when it will take you through a series of reboots that look just like this. And you know, you can never tell how long it will take. You can kind of gauge. Sometimes it'll take 20 minutes, sometimes less, or sometimes more, depending on how big it is. But once it is finished, you will see this screen right here on your home screen. And all right, guys, that's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.